Welcome back to Universe Sandbox Squared. I'm Tegus, this is my turn.
Hey guys!
So, this is the sun. And now we're looking at every possible dwarf planet and minor object in the solar system.
There's a lot of them.
There are a lot. All out in the Oort cloud. So let's see. We've got Sedna way out here. Sedna is really interesting because it has a very long period of orbit. Holy crap.
Most of them don't actually have names. They're just like...
Oh, it's right. It's so far out it's dark. Yeah, they haven't been named yet, right? There's Cedo, Orcus, Haumea, Make. We're at Sedna right now. Chaos. Oh, I did not click Chaos. I clicked 2002 2XV93.
Close enough.
Oh, here's a good one.
Rhadamanthus.
Yep. So...
Is that one around Pluto?
No.
But
nope.
He's a judge of the underworld.
It's not around Pluto, though. In fact, Pluto is Nyx. What's around Pluto?
Varda. Quar.
Oh yeah, Quar. I forgot about Quar. Aligira. There's quite a few. Where is Pluto, anyway?
There's Chiron, so presumably right around there.
Pluto's missing. So Pluto's moons, Chiron, Nyx. Oh, I can't remember the names.
Those are the only ones that I know.
There's 4 or 5 of them. So I'm just gonna see. So our sun's pretty big, but the largest star, not the most massive, but the largest star in the universe, actually, the most massive is R136A1, which is 260 solar masses estimated.
Impressive.
Quite large. Considering Edicarinae B is 55 solar masses. So I'm looking for UI Scuti, which is 8 solar masses, but 8 astronomical units in size. So if we were to put UI Scuti in our solar system, it would extend out to Jupiter's orbit.
Wow.
So let's do that. We are destroying the solar system.
Woo!
Let's see what happens next, because I'm pretty sure it's going to mess stuff up.
All the little tiny things are panicking.
Saturn is about to die. Look how small Saturn was next to that thing.
Everything is coming towards it. Oh no, it's being ejected.
Yep. So when you have a large stellar mass like that, you'll see some really weird behavior. You just suddenly introduce it. So, more recently discovered the supermassive black hole Sagittarius A in the center of our galaxy is actually it's cleaning up the center of the galaxy, but it's not sucking things in. So the black holes in the galaxy seem to be coming towards it, but it's ejecting all of the regular stellar matter. So there's stars being pushed away from it.
Random.
So UI skew. So everything. This thing just propelled everything away from it. But to be fair, we did just launch a giant gravitational well in the middle of the solar system.
That's true.
I wonder what would happen if we dropped in R136A1, because that thing is very massive. I'm kind of curious, actually. Let's reload this. We're gonna drop in 136A1. I mean, what's the worst thing that could happen?
Horrible, awful things.
It's still pretty big. It goes out to... Actually, it doesn't even go out to Mercury's orbit. It's still pretty big.
That didn't go well.
Well, to be... sorry, I did wrong.
What?
I forgot to remove the sun.
Bye-bye, sun.
Let's pause this in time, take out the sun, and add 136A1 in the middle here, and everything just got violently sucked into it. Jupiter is gone. Saturn's coming in for yeah, so the reason that everything got ejected last time was because when I put UI Scooty in there, it caused the sun to go supernova, so a shockwave came out and pushed everything away.
Interesting.
But
Game's so chill, even though everything's exploding, it's just so relaxed.
Everything's coming in now, including the Oort cloud. So we just destroyed the solar system.
Yeah.
Okay. Exoplanets, largest known solar system. What's this? How far away? Okay, it is. How far away is it from its? You know what? I do not remember how to figure out how far away something is. Oh, I cannot remember. So I'm guessing this is the object that is orbiting the furthest away from its host star. So its star is a red dwarf, 419 Jupiters in solar mass. Kind of doing its own thing.
Those are some crazy solar flares.
So red dwarfs will produce really, really, really wild solar flares. So when you have a planet orbiting a red dwarf, it's tidally locked to the dwarf. So it doesn't rotate. So you've got one side that's frozen and one side that's burning because it just has non-stop energy emanating towards it. And in theory, the space around the side of the long side of the planet like that is going to be potentially livable.
Why doesn't it rotate?
Because these things have really, really low mass. Most objects that form close are going to form close to them, and then they're tidally locked because they lose their independent inertia. There's more to it than that, but I'm not going to explain it. But 99% of the time, an object orbiting a red dwarf is going to be tidally locked, so one side's always facing it. The same side's always facing it. So, it does actually rotate, but it rotates at the same pace as its orbit. So when it makes half a year around its star, it's rotated halfway around. The same face is always pointing towards the sun. The thing is far away though. Like, you would not actually see it if you were living on this planet. Not that you can. You would not see your star. It would just be a red dot. So we'll go to a better one. TRAPPIST-1. So
this is the new one that NASA found?
Yeah, well, we found several exoplanets, so it's 7 exoplanets that we confirmed around it, which I think it might be the most that we've seen around any stellar object before. So TRAPPIST-1H is 32.5 moons. If you were living on this planet, you would just have this like dull red sphere in the sky. Probably your potential livable area you'd still be pretty cold in 1F. Surface temperature minus 59 degrees Celsius.
It's a little chilly.
Can I see the star? But yeah, you would just have this like dull red glow in the sky.
What about one of the closer ones?
TRAPPIST-1D, 10.1 degrees. This one might be more livable. This one...
There's a lot of ice on it.
Oh, right. There was the thought... I think they're investigating, but there might be the potential that some of them could have water. So, the side facing... Why is this one rotating? It probably is not actually rotating, so one side would always be facing the star. It would be very hot. Let's go to 1C. 62 degrees Celsius. There we go. Oh, it's not rotating, because we're still moving pretty quickly. We're moving, this is at 2 hours per second. This thing goes around its star really quickly. 1 hour per second. Yeah, so this side is always facing the sun. 62 degrees. So if this were actually the real system, the only one that might be able to support life is windy. 10 degrees Celsius. It would not be very comfortable.
It'd be a little nippy.
It's moving at 57 kilometers per second around its star. 1B is moving at 80 kilometers per second. Like, see ya! pretty though.
Yeah.
What happens if I screw with this place a bit?
How are we screwing with it?
I'm gonna drop in Jupiter.
Works for me. Those are moons.
Stars, planets. I had to go up. Where do we want to put Jupiter?
Here's good.
Right here?
Yeah.
So Jupiter is sitting at a comfortable negative 148 degrees Celsius. And warming up. I don't think anyone cares that Jupiter's in here.
Does not look like it.
Let's speed it up. None of these planets care. I don't see... Oh, yes they do. Yes they do. TRAPPIST-1c is kind of... Oh, collision. There was a mid-system collision.
Jupiter broke the solar system.
Okay, so... yeah, so now they're screwed up. Their orbits are weaving together. And Jupiter's just moving along. It's like, yeah, whatever. It's pretty fun. I'm destroying the solar system.
Little bit.
So if this is like a sci-fi game, and we were just hanging out on Earth, and we developed like super
We just got hit.
super ninja technology to move Earth to another solar system. It's like TRAPPIST to be a nice place. Let's just go pop in the middle of the solar system, not knowing Jupiter's there. We're like, this is a bad idea. We regret this immediately.
Look how cute we are.
We're freezing. 5 degrees Celsius.
Keep us warm, Jupiter. Snuggle up.
Oh, we want to snuggle up, do you?
Yes and no.
I don't even... Where are we, Check that out.
We have such a cool orbit. We're dancing.
You know what we haven't brought in, though?
What?
The moon. Come on, moon, you gotta come with us. That is not where the moon goes. I meant to do it here. Okay, so Jupiter took the moon. Jupiter literally took... Oh! The moon is being broken apart because of the Roche limit.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Oh, Africa's been hit.
We're at 300 degrees Celsius now. There is no life left on Earth.
Nope. We're baking.
This is at 2 hours per second.
We're a toasty little Earth cookie.
Let's see, half an hour per second. We're still moving pretty quickly. Like, our sky would be kind of messed up, I think. I'm gonna try something. Let's drop another Earth, like, right next to us. Do not collide. Do not collide. We're Oops.
Well, that was a terrible idea.
Looks cool, though.
Yes, it does. I like the shockwaves.
For a while, we were just kind of breaking each other apart. I was trying to figure out where our Roche limit would be with a second Earth. So it looks like, okay, so here we're not breaking each other apart. We get a second chance. But I think we got separated from Jupiter.
Our one Earth is a little toasty.
And I think the moon might be able to hit it. I'm 100% sure the moon's about to hit it. It did not hit it. That is mystical.
Moon's running away.
It's like, flee. So Earth just took off. Earth is like, I'm gonna go cuddle with the star right now. It's tidally locked. Uranus. That was a mistake.
Love it. Now we're all dead.
I think we were all dead when we froze to death.
That's true. I'm sure someone probably survived.
In their underground bunker, and then it's like, everything's gone.
Yep.
Let's see. Oh, Pluto and moons. Here we go. Styx, Charon. Oh, Chiron is a different. It's not. That's why we weren't finding it, because Chiron is its own dwarf planet. Charon or Chiron or whatever.
Did not even notice the difference when I was reading it.
Nyx, Kerberos, and Hydra. That makes sense. Yeah. It's very relaxing to be in here.
It is super chill. It has good music for chilling.
And then we just mess around instead of doing real science.
It's real science. We're just playing with pretty things and seeing what it does.
Right? That's pretty cool, though. Do you have the heart? I don't see the heart. But yeah, always fun to just kind of hang out in here and chill, you know?
Chilling like a villain as we destroy the solar system.
What?
It's glowing.
I put Dion in there, and it immediately burst into flames.
Dione?
Or Dione. On the upside, Pluto has its own light source now.
It does. I don't know why it's doing that.
Why did it burst into? It didn't really it didn't burst into flames, but it's
so
a
sparkly.
funny image. Yeah, none of the other objects are doing that. It was literally just Iapetus just grew a little bit. Weird. I don't know. I have no idea what happened there. But it's pretty cool. I enjoy it. So, hope you... Do you like how Pluto's smaller than Ganymede?
Yeah. It's a little random.
Which is why I got downgraded to a dwarf planet. Because the moon's bigger than Pluto.
But it's still so awesome.
Well,
little Pluto.
It's so little. So, hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give us a like, a subscribe, and a comment, and thanks for watching.
Bye, guys.